Recently, a new problem is continuing in the roosters' cage. Roosters' food is eaten by rats every night. This problem has been ongoing for 5 days. I am not getting any solution to this problem. For this reason, roosters' food spot is empty every morning. When the roosters wake up in the morning, it does not find any food. So every morning I wake up early and I give food to the rooster. I cleaned all the chicken cages a few minutes ago. Last 3 days ago I cleaned all cages. But today I saw in the morning all the cages were dirty. So I cleaned. Something later, this chicken will lay eggs. But this chicken's egg has some problems. All eggs shell is very thin. I gave medicine to the chicken to solve the problem. Inside the cage, the mother chicken and chicks are walking now. It is 10 am now. I gave them food 5 minutes ago. It is a color Brahma breed. Its feather is longer than another Brahma chicken breed. This is another color Brahma chick. It is faker than the previous Brahma on my hand. This chicken on my hand in the maximum time you have seen. I went on the roof to take this chick 2 days ago. And it is one of the best fecal chicks on my farm. Maybe many people know this chick. It is a asil chick. Until now, the rooster's wings problem has not been solved. This rooster's wing is hanging now. Its look will be quite good after solving the wing problem. However, this rooster's look is not bad at the present time. It is good enough. It is my opinion, and you can share your important opinion in the comment box. Today's video will not do long. The next video will coming soon. And you guys please subscribe to my channel to see more pet videos.